I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna end mine. If you ain't down for the Africans here in the United States, period, point blank, if you ain't down for the ones that suffered in South Africa from apartheid and shit, damn it, you need to step your punk ass to the side and let us brothers and us Africans step in and start putting some foot in that ass.
What's going on, kings and queens? Your boy Byron, CEO of Self-Rise Enterprise, and today we are back with another video. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to get money for free. I'm going to get a game away for free today. I'm going to show you guys how to wax a truck. I want to go ahead and show you guys how I'm able to get money and produce content, take the money from detailing and invest it into an asset that makes money, whether it's stocks, real estate, skill sets, knowledge, books, anything that's going to elevate me, because detailing isn't what I want to do forever. But it's a platform that I can utilize that doesn't require me to go to school or have this high degree or all these skill sets to make the hustle work. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to get money. I got like $20 in my pocket. I'm gonna turn them $20 into $200 on camera right now. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later at the detail later on. All right, so what's happening now is the customer's at work, right? But he left me the money and he left me the gate code, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna show you guys how I wax. I'm gonna show you guys the money, and I'm gonna show you guys basically how you can get money detailing, you know what I'm saying, just waxing if you don't want to do nothing else. But what I reveal is the game for you to get out there, quit your job, and really start getting some money doing specialized skill sets that's going to increase the value on cars, and it's going to add more value to you, you know what I'm saying, and make you relevant within the market. So let's not waste no more time. Let's get right into it. All right, so now we're making our way towards the middle of the job, and I want to break down the equipment that I use to make the money, right? And speaking of that, we got to go get the money. But first, let's talk about the equipment. So I use regular soap. You can see it's half empty. This probably costs $5, maybe $3. This right here costs like $2. This right here costs like $3, $4. This right here is like $2 or $3, and this is for like drying the water up after you car wash. This basically just dries it up when you're done when you're done washing the car. You know what I'm saying? Obviously soap for cleaning the dirt off and, you know what I'm saying, making it look good. This is where we come in. These are our applicator pads. This is where we put the wax on, and we, you know what I'm saying, we apply it to the car. You feel me? And then this is the wax we use. You know, not that expensive, maybe $5. You know what I'm saying? Then we got a pack of rags. So I'm telling you, this is probably $20 that you can turn into $200. Let me show you. Let me show you something. I'm gonna show y'all. So just from detailing today, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm able to turn the simple things, simple basic items into a profitable business, profitable skill set that you can utilize yourself. You know what I'm saying? So the customer left, it was $150, but the customer left $200, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and utilize this so I can show you guys how you can make money yourselves with certain accounts, certain individuals, that you can potentially turn into a profit, a hustle. And I'm gonna show you guys a simple way, inexpensive setup. Let's not waste no more time, let's get it.
I used to work at a car wash. I made $30 a day from 8 in the morning to 8 at night. So they basically let you know you gotta live off your tips. So you gotta really go hard. And I was washing cars behind a gas station. Next to the gas station was the flea market, which was a real popular spot for the hustlers. Pull up, you could go get your Bally's, your Clarks, Jules, whatever it was. 183rd Street Flea Market in the middle of Carol City. So I was washing cars there, and I learned real quick, the homies with the certain tires and rims on their cars, they tip the best. And so I used to let them know I'd do anything for you. I'll wash the car. If you leave me $20, I'll fill your tank up. If you left me with enough time, I'll put your cassettes in alphabetical order. Whatever it is, I think that may be the small difference between the ones who really go get it and the ones who just talking. Because every car that I loved, that I washed, I own right now. Every old school, I don't know how many I got. I'll be lying to you. Is it over 20? Way over 20. Old schools. Every one that I ever said, I'm gonna get that. Yeah, because the same way I wash cars, I build franchises now with that same drive.
This right here is for drying, just getting the water off, getting it back to a dry state, getting the dirt off. The goal for washing was to remove the dirt. Now we coming back, we're gonna dry it up, and then we're gonna throw some wax on it.
Yeah.
It's called a chamois. So it just picks up dirt, it just picks up water. See, look that. All right, so now that we washed it, dried it, we're finna wax it. So now I got the McGuire's cleaner wax, and I got the applicator. So basically it's simple, just take a little bit of wax. We're gonna be just like that. Now it's a white truck, so it's gonna be hard to move, so we're just gonna work areas. So that way we don't miss anything. That's all you gotta do. Not that much, you know what I'm saying? Just enough. Take a clean microfiber rag and you just start going in a circular motion. You know what I'm saying? Like that right there. Spread that around. Like that. All right. Come in with the microfiber rag. And you just wax. And then you just dry. Yeah. Now this is the most simple way to do it. This is like, there's a lot more ways to do it, but you just starting out and you want to make quick money. This is a good way to, you know, do boats and RVs. And I mean, I even did a yacht one time, a small airplane in LaBelle, Florida. So it's real easy money when you want to just make a few $100s a week, more than working at a regular job or something. You know what I'm saying? It's really about sales and numbers. How many can you book? How many cars can you book per week? And then how much are you charging? And then if you stand at an angle, you can stand at like an angle, you can catch the shine of it. Just on this part though.
Damn!
All right, so what I did was I did one side of the truck and I added a tire shine. He didn't ask me to add a tire shine, but you know, just looking out, I'm just gonna add that on there, just because it you know, adds more value to the overall detail, and it, you know, to keep the customer coming back to, you know, rebook you for more details in the future. So what I did on one side, you literally do for the same thing for the hood, and for the top. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are interested in learning more, you can leave your email down below in the link at www.thedetailingblueprint.com, and take that. Once you put your email in, I'll send you a free cheat sheet on how to make $1,000. If you want to skip past learning about the cheat sheet or whatever, because you can still get the cheat sheet and still purchase the course if you guys are interested in learning a new skill set in 4 weeks. You know, we go over detailed psychology, we go over the mindset and education, we go over equipment and products, and we break down ads and promotion. As far as just booking appointments like this, me spending like maybe $15-20 and turning those $15-20 into $200 for the day. I don't have to clock into no job. I'm able to utilize my skill set, and I literally reveal all my skill sets and all my knowledge in the course. So if you guys are interested in the course, we have a coupon sale going on right now. If you guys are interested in that coupon, the coupon code is SELFRISE22, and it's only available for the next 48 hours. So make sure you guys go check out the course, look at the benefits that it has to offer, and stop wasting time. Stop, accepting less of yourself with your life. Don't have no regrets. Make sure you go check it out. Look into what I'm doing. Look into everything that I got to offer. My goal is to help at least 100 students. So I'm not gonna keep talking. Just what I got for one side. Yeah, and you do the same thing on the other. So I appreciate you guys tapping in. We're gonna go ahead and clean everything up, finish the other side for the customer. I'll see you guys next time. A Self-Rise Enterprise, and this is the Mobile Detailing Blueprint. Free game on how to wax a truck, how to make $200 off a $20 flip. I just did it live. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.